Got the wonderful 102 headset here, microphone. I'm gonna take that out. The only thing you guys missed is that I put this on and put this on. Well, I put the little foam on there first and then found out this thing does not go over the foam, so I had to take the foam back off, put it on like that. But I couldn't do that really on the camera anyways. So yeah, so I have my friend here. I'm going to try to trickery him. That's the one I'm using right now. Microphone, Turtle Beach, Stealth. That's my computer mic. And then I should have a USB one on here somewhere. HD webcam, I guess. I'm going to see if he says there's a difference and what one is the best. One's built into the computer. Obviously, that one's going to be crap. That's like a last-ditch effort. My Turtle Beaches are wireless, so he doesn't... Nobody really likes that. And then, yeah. So we'll test this out. And there I am holding my camera. Yeah. So I'm going to kick on the recorder. I want to show you guys I'm actually recording. That's going to be recording his voice. His voice is right there. I got to unmute it. Are you there, Q? Okay, that picks up both of us. It's also going to pick up my mic, but I have to adjust it. But hey, I want to get the real crap. Him saying, yeah, it's good, or yeah, it's bad. You know what I mean? We will see. Right there. Shows him talking. Okay, so to plug it into my style of computer, I have this Thunderbolt thing. This looks like a mess, but I'm in the middle of a build with the computer. So there is a plug on my computer somewhere where it's all in one. There it is. It's all in one. Some computers have like all in two. One's a headphone, one's a microphone. Mine's all in one. A lot of new computers are like that. So you're gonna want to plug it in, and my computer will probably go ding. I also have one on the Thunderbolt port, but I don't really want to test that out. So I'm gonna plug it in. And it came up on here asking, what is this device? So I'm going to put headset with microphone. Let's just do that it's a mic. No, let's do headset with microphone. Because it does have the microphone port, or the headset on it. Then click OK. And then I'm going to move this thing up here. I am going to look at the instructions for just a second. Because in the instructions, it shows you you need to look up connecting to a smartphone. A smartphone has it all built into one. They don't run two. So basically put on smartphone mode. Then if you had more than one port like that one, you'd have to put it on camera mode. Okay, so I'm going to put it on smartphone mode. I'm going to shut off the noise canceling. I'm going to test it with both ways. I'm going to then clip this. Let's clip this not that far away, see if it picks it up. It's noise canceling. Now I'm going to put it right on my... I'm trying to find a place to put this. There we go. Putting it right there. You guys see that? You guys can see that. Now let's go see if the thing even works. Let's see what it's called. It is called... It is not on there. So let's go see if it's under sounds. Sounds, recording, webcam. I'm not seeing it. Let's see if it has a playback. I'm not seeing it on there, but it may be coming through as, there it is. My computer was disconnected for some reason. Gonna want to make sure that's enabled. There we go. Oh, nope. That ain't even it. Okay. So, it should be showing up somewhere now. Nowhere. So I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in and put it as a microphone, I guess. There we go. Popped right back up again. Gonna put it just as mic in. And it says it's Relic Audio Console. Do you have any other settings? Nope. I'll click OK. We're gonna go see if it's in this list this time. I think it's right there. Or right there. Stereo mix. Hello, hello, hello? I'm pretty sure that's my laptop mic. I'm really thinking it's that. It isn't popping up anywhere. So let's go check. Go to. May have to just test this on my phone. Hello, 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 hello. No, that still says disconnect. Okay, I'm gonna go right click on there to devices. There should be one where it says audio. Sounds. There we go. And it isn't popping up on there either. So it's not working very good with my computer. I'm going to go and plug it into the Thunderbolt port, and we'll test it that way. And mine's an Alienware computer. It's not like it's a cheap computer. See, little Alienware. It's not a cheap computer, so any problems I would expect to have shouldn't happen on this one. There we go. Oh, it's setting up the device this time. Let's click on that so we can watch the little thing spin. And I don't know where it went. It didn't ask any questions this time. We may have to unplug it and plug it in again. Jesus. Let's see. Microphone. Hey, look. We have something here. USB. Yeah, I'm here. Hold on. It's not quite as an easy setup as what I thought. The port on the side of the computer ain't working too good. Keep it real, Q. Keep it real. How do I sound right now, Q?
The Turtle Beach?
Nope. I'm not gonna tell you. You kind of gotta guess. I don't know what I'm running right now because earlier I don't know how you were hearing me. Do these sound all right?
Well, whatever you're using sounds like your Turtle Beach.
It sounds like my Turtle Beach. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna switch it to something different. What does this sound like?
Oh my god. Sounds like you're talking through one of those Xbox 360 Kinects.
The Kinect. Oh my god, I forgot about the Kinects. Okay, hold on. How about I have like 4 different ones here. Hey, how about this one? How's this one sound?
Now that sounds like you're talking through a proper boom mic.
Proper boom. What is it? Super loud or something?
Like Trevor's mic. Clear, loud.
Is it? Okay.
And
well, that's my that's my USB. I think that's my camera. Okay, hold on. Now I'm gonna switch it. I got one more. There. What does that one sound like?
that's the same.
That's the same? Can you hear like?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just the setting. Like, is it?
I can hear you clicking your fingers.
You aren't supposed to hear that, I don't think. Hold on. And the new one. How's that sound?
Terrible.
Terrible? That's the new one. Hold on. Try this one again. Because this one's my USB mic. Okay, what does that sound like right there? I think I figured out which mic this is. What's that one sound like?
Kind of sounds like the camera or the Turtle Beach.
Turtle Beach. What does it sound like? It's far away from me. What does it sound like right here? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's just. I guess it's kind of decent. It's not as bad.
Kind of.
Whatever the hell you was using before.
It
Sound like you're talking in a tin can.
sounds like I'm talking in a tin can right now.
No, the one you had before. Well, no, it sounds great. It sounds
great.
decent.
Huh.
Yeah. The one before that was better.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to switch it to one more mic. You tell me. Okay, do you like this microphone? Or do you like this microphone? You want me to switch back? Which one? The one?
No, I like the second one. The one you just done.
The one I'm on
The one
right now.
Yeah.
Do they sound so close that it's hard to determine?
No.
No? It's like straight on, you know what you like.
Yeah.
Okay. So you like this one. Okay. Now I'm going to try 3 different ones. You got to tell me which one you like and then I'm done. Okay, we got this. We got this one. Do you like this one?
Nope. That's the one I look like.
That's actually my computer mic. It kind of gives itself away because it's so crap. Okay, and then we have this one. Yeah, you guys see if you like this one or not. And then we have the final one, which is
I'd say that's the best one.
this one. You didn't even try the last one. Now this one. Do you like this one at all?
No. The one before.
The one before.
Yeah.
Okay. How did you know the difference between the last one and this one? And what's the matter with the one I'm on right now? Is it too far away?
No, it's just tinted. Like your voice is tinted more.
Tinted.
Like it sounds shallow.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Does it sound any different right there?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Sounds like it's more further away.
Oh. Sounds further away. If it's the distance thing, I can always get closer. This is like super close. Is it loud?
Yeah, like what? Yeah. It's not loud, it's just more how do I put it? It's more human, not a ghost.
Human.
I don't know if you could say something like that, but
yeah, the microphone that makes me sound not like a ghost.
It sounds like it makes you sound more like a brick than a tin can.
Yeah, I know what you mean there. Okay, well, I got a little bit more to do on this video, and then I'll be back in there. I have to do a little bit. I gotta mute. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I had to cut the video there, or end it and then splice it together so it's easier to do adding the video in. The video footage or the audio footage when I'm doing the testing on him is going to be pulled off of that. That's actually going to be how the mic sounds. Now I'm going to show you the difference here. That was my Turtle Beaches. They're for PlayStation, I think, USB. I got a little plug in the side of the computer right there. Plugs into the side. I talked to him that way. One of them was my computer's mic right there, and then that one was the USB right there. This one was not working at all, and I can unplug it to show you guys. And I'm very surprised. I did 3 tests on him, and I unplugged it. It's not powered on now. Just to show you guys that USB was not still there. Let's exit this, come back into it. I was very surprised. Out of three, he guessed the Turtle Beaches 2 out of the 3 times. Not saying this is a bad mic. He said it was very clear, which a lot of people want that. The Turtle Beaches also are $70 headphones. They do 2 things. Actually, I just took them off. They do 2 things in one. So for them to be better than a $30 headset, I would expect that. The fact that they were makes me feel even better. But he said I was crystal clear. And for $30 and how portable this is, I would take it. $30 is pretty nice. Now I'm going to do a test to see if it works without the batteries in it. All in the same video because most microphones have a pass-through on them. And I want to see if these have a pass-through, but I cannot get my holder to... There we go. Okay, so the batteries are... I'm going to shut it off before taking the batteries out. And then I'm going to take the batteries out and see if it still passes through. And them are not easy to get out, which is great. Oh, almost dropped my cord. Use a cord to pop them out. When you remove batteries from these, remember what way they go in or you're going to have all kinds of struggles. Okay, I took that out. That is a very heavy spring. I'm very impressed with that. I'm going to let it just lay there like that while that battery rolls away. And we're going to see if it still works. Okay, here we go. So, I'm basically going to tell you over my headset if you can still hear me or not. Oh, you know what? You guys can actually see. I don't even need to put that on. There'll be a green bar here if it still works. Here, I'll unmute this mic. Hello, hello, testing. Okay, so when I switch it over to the USB, hello, hello. Oh, I think I shut it off. Oh, well, I shut it off because it has no... Hello, hello, hello. It does not work without them batteries. Hello, hello, hello. I am not muted. It's not picking up on either. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. So there is no pass-through, which that kind of sucks. If your batteries get low, maybe it blurts out low battery. But yeah, there is no pass-through. You're going to have to purchase these batteries. Amazon has a whole 30-pack, 20-pack for $5. That is not bad at all. These have little nipples on the end of them. That's kind of nice. Probably keeps them still a little bit. But yeah, there is no pass-through. That definitely helps me out a little bit to know what all I can do. I always need to bring batteries. 60 hours, though, that's plenty for me. I don't know about gaming with it for sure because I'm gaming 8 to 12 hours when I do a sit-down, so I don't want to go through batteries when I can do my rechargeable headset right here. It just recharges in the end. But yeah, definitely it comes in good enough and it gets rid of background sound with the -10. I've not tested that yet until I plug it into my phone. But that'll be a later video. Hopefully this helps you guys out, and thanks for watching.